for the skin. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Zia James. This is Z32 Workshop, and that behind me is my 1992 Dodge Stealth RT that I've been slowly working on. And it is actually a car for my wife, for us to go cruising on Sunday cruise. Unlike my 300ZX, which I autocross and weekend drive and have fun in general, this is meant more as a big boulevard cruiser. It's got an automatic transmission. It's just the dual overhead cam motor. It is not the twin turbo car nor the all-wheel drive. This is, geez, I don't even know what part this is in this project. Car is up and running. How to get a new ECU into it, or new to me, repaired ECU into the car. That's making it run. It still has a long way to go. But I am trying to get it where I can get it out of here for winter storage. I apologize for the cough. I've had a cold. I've been down for about a week. I haven't been able to get out here along with festivity holidays and all that stuff. I do not know when this is going to drop for you guys. It's probably going to be a month from now. Right now, though, I am getting it so I can get a tie rod fixed. Let me show you what's going on. I found this out one of the nights just out here working. The driver's side here, if you take a look, you could do that to it. That is a clear indication of a tie rod being bad. Inner or outer? I am 90% sure it is the outer. I have already got new ones from Rock Auto. I'll drop the part number down below. Relatively inexpensive. This is probably like a 20-buck fix. The biggest thing that's going to end up having to happen afterwards, though, is an alignment. That will cost you at least 100 bucks. Probably more like anywhere from 120 to 150, depending where you get it done. I will probably not get the alignment done this winter. I'm probably going to get this thing taken care of and a few other odds and ends in the car. And then I'm going to put it in storage because it is getting to be quite cold here in Iowa. And my garage is not heated. So this will probably be closer to one of the last ones in the Stealth until springtime. After this, I do have a serpentine belt stuff I have to do. I got idler pulleys going bad. They're really noisy. That'll probably be after this. But let's get this started to take this care of. These will not be the tires that will be on this car. These do not 100% fit. So let's get this taken off of and start working on it. So 3, 2, 1, time warp. All right, boom, off time warp. Got the wheel off. God, man, look at this thing. They oversprayed. They wanted someone ordered brake calipers. Didn't even take them off. Previous owner work stuff. Anyway, as you can see, this is going to be the problem. You can see that it's loose. It's all in the outer tie rod, which means there's a nut out here that we have to get rid of. I will loosen that up. That is going to be, let me find out the size for it.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these shit I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Bam! Off time warp. Not much battery left here. New tie rod end in. It has a castle nut, which I like better. It's got a grease zerk on the bottom, which I like better. You guys didn't see it. I heated the crap out of this. 22 millimeter or 7/8 is what did it. It finally popped off. So yeah, this is in now. This is part one. I'll say part one. So this should be good to go. The other thing I'm going to be doing while I'm down here, and this is a pain in the butt, is, as you can see, CV axle boot is shot. So once again, more problems, more junk I gotta fix. So yes, that will probably be the next video to get the CV axle off, which is gonna be taking the castle out of here, probably getting rid of the brake caliper, and then hopefully I can swing this whole thing out of the way, pound this back and pull it out. We'll see. I'm not 100% sure exactly, but yeah, this is in. Tighten that back down. I didn't measure, I kind of eyeballed it. So this will need an alignment in the springtime, because I'm not really going to drive this other than get it to storage. And other things I need to get is I need a fender liner, because, well, someone had a bigger tire and it destroyed it. So, yeah. That should do it in this video, guys. Probably short and sweet. A lot of time work for you guys, because it's just a tire rod end. That being said, I did have replacements inners if I needed them here. Rock Auto, dirt cheap. Supreme. I don't know what the even part number here was. Oh yeah, here we go. Here's the part number for the tire rod I was using on the outer. Here's the inner, which I did not use, but if you guys wanted to, you could. Yeah. So jam nut was being a problem. This isn't too bad. I mean, it's definitely bad where it's out. Next is the axle for me to get that replaced, because I need it out, because that's terrible. I don't want to get in the storage without the axle being replaced. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, hit me up in comments below. Pretty responsive. Please like and subscribe. Every little bit helps. Trying to get my butt monetized. Been saying that for years now, but the more content to make, the more you guys watch, the more it's hopefully helpful to someone else working on these projects or any other endeavors. So, all right, guys, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.